driverless cars, drone deliveries, machine learning and robotics. It seems like science fiction is quickly becoming reality. But what if you could be part of bringing all of these technologies together to make the world a better place? That's our mission. At Amazon Global Logistics, we're building a team of software engineers, product managers, and other professionals to reinvent how products move around the globe. Imagine what would be possible if buyers could purchase items from sellers on the other side of the world and then receive those items within hours, simply and affordably. As soon as an order is placed, a seamless global journey would begin, orchestrated by state-of-the-art logistics management software. The package would be picked up by local transportation and taken to a processing facility. Automation and robotics would assist in preparing it for shipment, and new systems would allow it to clear customs in minutes instead of days. Then it would be on its way across borders, all with complete visibility and end-to-end tracking, until it lands at its final destination, literally. It's a bold vision that requires innovative hardware and software solutions at every step of the process. That's why we are looking for talented individuals from a diverse range of backgrounds to join our team. Individuals who are intrigued by the idea of working with other talented people around the world to design local solutions with available resources. Learn how you can help us invent the future of international logistics. Visit our website and search for #AGLT or #XBTT to apply online today.
As a communications service provider, you must look for new ways to innovate and differentiate from the competition. This is especially important in the segment of enterprise customers who have more sophisticated requirements than individuals. This is where telcos can truly show their competitive advantage. As markets globalize, enterprise customers have more affiliates and partners that they need to manage and communicate with. So, how can you help them? Let's explain using a bank as an example. The communication between a bank's branches and its headquarters is built using secure VPN connections, set up, managed, and configured by a telecom operator. Since the provisioning process is complicated and costly, only a few enterprise customers can benefit from these secure connections. Installing the necessary equipment can take the operator many weeks, and the bank needs to rely on the service provider to manage and configure the network. Now, this is changing. Thanks to the NFV SDN network technologies coupled with modern BSS and OSS solutions from Comark, telecom companies are able to offer their enterprise customers a self-empowerment solution to use and manage the network as if it were their own. The installation of virtualized equipment takes mere seconds, and your customers benefit from huge savings in both time and money. The bank can now offer the secure VPN connections to its clients as a new service, gaining a competitive edge and improving customer experience. While the NFV SDN network technology makes this possible, telecom companies also need IT tools to easily settle, monitor, and manage this kind of innovative service. Integrated BSS OSS solutions delivered by Comark meet all your requirements from service fulfillment and assurance through order management to CRM and billing. Harness the potential of technology and exceed the expectations of your enterprise customers with NFV SDN and Comark BSS OSS solutions.